awit un dia com sentimento na mixto para nós aqui na ATV. Awit nós sabi sa Yentl, hope éxito, com seu reto novo de vida. Yentl traja algo mais que 5 anos com éxito aqui na ATV, com sua notícia na inglês dura noite para 7:15, na prometo notícia boa noite. Com seu estilo único, 15 on 15, with Yentl Lieuw, a cresce e Yentl a percurar para entretener e informar os televidentes de uma forma profissional. A seguinte imagem, nada papi para nós.
Giving up smoking, dieting, or even
Yentl Lieuw began her journey on Channel 15 as an intern. This was her very first stand-up.
About resolutions from a business standpoint that can help to benefit the economy of our island.
She first stepped into your living room with Noticia Awinochi's segment entitled Riba Caminda cu Yentl.
Today on 15 on 15.
To be able to deliver a daily 15-minute newscast as the producer and anchor is a big job. Yentl takes pride in what she has been able to accomplish over the years.
Thanks for joining us. I'm Yentl. What is the most rewarding experience here at ATV? I actually would have to say my daily task. This job is unlike any other because all your hard work that you do 9 to 5 during the day is then broadcasted on television and it's shared with the community. So every single night, Monday through Friday at 7:15 p.m., that is the most rewarding feeling. So I would have to say every day was rewarding.
Besides for 15 on 15, Yentl took on other projects, one being the main correspondent for the Aruba International Film Festival. Channel 15 broadcasted the glamorous event live.
There were certain projects that I took on that was also rewarding. Of course, I would have to say the Aruba International Film Festival, where ATV was partnered up with AIFF, and we delivered the red carpet event for 2 hours live. And interviewing celebrities is, of course, it's a different experience. The interaction is very different, and you get a little bit nervous, and the adrenaline gets you going. And of course, it was live.
Another success that Yentl recalls fondly is the political show called One on One. Politicians running for office had some hard-hitting questions to answer in the hot seat. In this role, Yentl was the one working for the voters.
I think One on One was a great success, and that was a talk show that I had 2 years ago prior to the election, where I sat down with 7 selected candidates who were running for office. And for 15 minutes, you get to ask them hard-hitting questions. You get to report to the viewers as to why perhaps you should or should not vote for that particular politician. And One on One was a fantastic project that I took on, and it had great results. We said in the beginning we were only going to do 7 politicians. We were going to choose them very carefully and had to be well represented from all different parties. And it was, and we had so many political members calling us and wanting to be a part of it, and we're like, sorry, we decided from the beginning it's 7.
Yentl recently got engaged and will be relocating to Las Vegas, Nevada next week. She plans on pursuing a career within the communications industry, either broadcasting or public relations. The future looks bright for the 26-year-old. Yentl is handing everything over to Daniela Piazzi, a confident young woman in which Yentl selected herself. She gives the new face of 15 on 15 a word of advice.
I would like the new host of 15 on 15 to work hard every day, put a lot of heart into it. Don't take one day for granted. It is a tremendous job. You will meet a lot of new people, and be an asset to Team 15. That is very important. And take initiative. Go find your stories. Go make the phone calls. Go send the emails. And bring back a good story to ATV every day. And if you do have a good story, share it with Pulse Latino, share it with Noticia Awinochi, and just remember that you are part of a team, and a great team at that, and don't take it for granted.
On behalf of Team 15, we want to wish Yentl Lieuw all the love, success, and happiness in the world as she moves forward on her journey to Las Vegas.
Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time on ATV Channel 15.
Para Yentl, nos saco bota papi comprando-nos do chipamento E na papiamento nos tour de 35 que bisabo, com nós está compartir boa alegria e nos saco está tomar a decisão para seguir com a seguinte etapa de movida que lo está fazendo onde o outro sonho não vira uma realidade. E antes mais danke para boa colegialidade e também amistade.